How to change Facebook login phone number to email. If you want to log into your Facebook with email, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore the various pages over here. So in order to log into your Facebook with your email, you need to link email address with your Facebook account. So for that, you need to tap over the three bar horizontal line at the right corner, and here you have to tap over the settings option over here at the right hand side, and you have to tap over the account center, and after that you have to go for the personal details. And on the personal details, here are the contact information, birthday, and many more. You just have to tap over the contact info, and at the bottom there is add new contact option. Just tap over there, and you have to tap over the add email address. After that, you'll be opened up to the text field where you can enter the new email address. So you just have to tap and enter a new email address over here. Since I have connected my Facebook with my Instagram, both profiles are available, but you just can select a Facebook at the button, and you can tap over the next, and a confirmation code will be into your email address. You just can confirm your email address, and then that email address will be linked with your Facebook account. And after that, whenever you are trying to log into your Facebook account, then you can enter your email address and password. With this, you'll be able to change Facebook login phone number to email. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.